Okay, I just got up. I forgot the first name falls. This is like Splash-Splash Falls. I'm on the bridge. You can tell where you're not safe. Dry, I'm safe. I'm drenched. This was down for a 20-minute delay of a maintenance issue. They got the problem fixed, so now it's open to get people drenched. And unlike when I rode the Sky at California for America, I already got wet. When I rode Discovery Kingdom, I got drenched. This is what Splash-Splash Falls moved to. No, I'm just kidding.
How did I even say that?
Oh yeah. And I just realized the sprinklers down here, I guess they're not spraying. Not that I cared or noticed, because I got drenched by this area, the bridge. And it was kind of funny because before I turned on the camera, this lady was using her phone to video record it, and she was standing directly in the middle of a pier, and she got just as drenched as those on the boat. And she walked towards me, and I asked her, "Did you get cool off?" She was like, sort of. So yeah, there you go. Alright, before I turn off, I'll show you where I am. How do I look? Well dry. My whole shirt of home is drenched. Not enough to squeeze water out of it, but it feels soft. So this slide did its job, which is to cool me off. And now my skin's almost dry, but definitely not like clothes. I'm all really for a blue boat going, and when after it splashes the bridge, I'll turn off the camera. Tomorrow is not supposed to be as hot, so I figured I had to ride this today. It was hot. There you go, Splash-Splash Falls, the fun! They got to get on the bridge wet.
I'm like double soaked. It's crazy.
Did you get cool off?
Yeah. I got extra cool. Oh man.
I'm wet too. My whole shirt of my home pouch is wet.
Right, you vlogging?
Yeah.
That was crazy. I did not see that one coming.
I know I was hot. I knew I was going to do
I didn't know. They don't tell you about that for a reason. They want you to take your time getting off so they can splash you again.
I ran quick. I didn't ran, but I walked quickly to the other side dry area, and I did off my video there. Like, I'm safe here. The ground's dry.
Right. Now I know.
Yeah, I ain't messing with that one over
That
there.
was crazy. The whole right side of me is soaked.
I'll go get the entrance sign, and then I'm turning this video off. Oh, okay. Well, I'm not going to complain. I'm sweaty now. I feel well. Here it is. If I go and get the zoom, so you can read the sign. Maybe if this was zoom. Monsoon Falls. I'll try over here. I have a hard time reading that from the angle. This is the entrance, and there's a factory no line because it just reopened from a mechanical problem. There its name. You can read about from this angle. Alright, that does it for this video.